Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the approval and withdrawal of the institutions. Approval procedures to be followed for the approval for an institution providing the course of study in pharmacy. Application by the institution to PCI, inspection, approval, and the declaration. Withdrawal. Non-compliance with the education regulation notice the issue to be institutions by the PCI 3-month window for the institute to make its representation. Final decision rests with the PCI. Approval of the qualification granted outside India. Qualification in the pharmacy granted outside India can be recognized by the PCI. This is applicable to the Indian citizen. Citizens of the foreign nationality can be eligible for registrations when and the Indian national holding the same qualification is allowed to enter and practice in the country. State Pharmacy Council. Constitution of a state pharmacy council in each state composition. Elected member 6 member elected from amongst themselves by registered pharmacist of the state. 1 member elected by the medical council of state. Third one is the nominated member. 5 members nominated by the state government, and ex officio members are the chief administrative medical officer in charge of the drug control administration of state. Next is then last is the government analyst. Next is the joint state pharmacy councils. 2 or more states enter into an agreement to form a joint state pharmacy council. Elected members registered pharmacists 3 to 5 from each instead of 6 in a single state council. Medical council is 1 from each state. Next is the nominated members. Government nominate 2 to 4 from each state instead of 5. Ex officio members are the chief administrative medical officer in charge of drug control administrations and the government analyst. The president and the vice president are elected by the member from amongst themselves. Period of 5 years. Casual vacancy is filled by nomination or election. Members are eligible for re-election. Possesses an executive committee similar to the central government. Function of SPS inspections by state councils. The state pharmacy council appoints the suitable number of inspector. Inspector premise where the drug are the compounded or dispensed. Inquired regarding the registration of the person. Investigate the complaints. Institute prosecution. Maintenance of register. Entry and removal of name. In today's class I discuss about joint state pharmacy and state pharmacy council. Thank you for watching.